This one is order shumai and a lot of shumai for the my daughter co-workers in the office because they have already take a breakfast, take a lunch in the middle of the night work. So they have thinking about the food. So that people is already taste my food. So we decide to order and 2 tub of the rice. Have a 2 tub of rice because they have fixes for the sisig. I want to show you the sisig. This one is already in the tub. So this one is pork sisig, and they have fried egg in the top and chili and calamansi. And this one is pork sisig also, and have a fried rice. This one, guys, with rice is 120. And yeah, it's very hard to fix it, that, guys. You have a C60. So it's already this food is so my daughter is take this to the office, and she is already going to the office and then pick up this food. She the one to take this food to co-work in the office. But yeah, guys, I'm very tired to fix it this one because I'm the one to make the shumai also and the sisig, and I'm the one to going to the market